get enough. 'Cause you're the only one who could really hold me down. And when I getting back up, I could see
that it's you and me.